Guys, the question still remains, why uMaNgwabe esahleli noTata Mseleku after all the said and the done? And why uTata Mseleku has allowed for uMaNgwabe intoba makamove in nomntana wakhe uSimphiwe. Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment. I'm sure nonke ke niye nabona intoba uMaNgwabe uyatrenda alongside ke umntanakhe Simphiwe, you guys. So last episode usiye sabona uTata Mseleku esivizithela uMaNgwabe. uMaNgwabe uyachaza ke intoba hey, things have been normal for me and uTata Mseleku yonke lanto wayithe uzoyenza, stop visiting us kwizindlu ezintsha up until ke we welcome the fifth wife, akayenzi lonto ku yey shukuthi stove samaNgwabe siku-6 siwisa ngisho ugesi ngikutshene mina hayibo uthi nje uTata Mseleku visits my house like the normal way, akukho nje osokushintshile. Thankfully for her uMaNgwabe. And now going back to the question, why did uMaNgwabe stay with uTata Mseleku? Uthi uMaNgwabe, the reason she decided ntoba makangahambi is because kwahlalwa phansi naye ngabazali bakhe and they told her intoba ntobazana, you better stay in this marriage of yours noTata Mseleku. But otherwise if kwakuya ngaye at that time inoba ke wayizothini, wayizothatha izikhwama zakhe ahambe. Yeah, understand. So uTata Mseleku uye wafika wabona abantwana and bekhona ke nonyana kaMaNgwabe ekunguSimphiwe and ke kuba ke obviously things are now better. Things are now good between uSimphiwe noMaNgwabe noTata Mseleku. noMaNgwabe, it's something that she even revealed with diary session intoba, you know what, we are good. Not unless ke mhlawumbe ndiyahleka with the otherwise, but everything is pretty normal. We are a very normal family. uTata Mseleku, going back to the question of why he allowed ke umntana kaMaNgwabe intoba makade azohlala noMaNgwabe kwakhe uTata Mseleku. Last season I thought he said the reason as to why he did not allow for umntana kaMaNgwabe intoba makayohlala phaya eMzumbe is because kukhona ingonyama zakhona, kunamabhobesi akhona, kunama-lions akhona vele eMzumbe. That is the reason he gave the last time, okay? Now that umntana se move in ke eUvongo no Mangwabe, he is giving us a new reason as to why he is allowing uMaNgwabe to move in with umntana wakhe wangaphandle. Uthi it's because uMaNgwabe kaloku ngoku seyandihlonipha. The time and andithe you are not allowed to move in nabantu bakho babiza ngabantu bakhe uMaNgwabe mntanakhe. I don't know why he does that, but uthi the reason as to why I do not allow for you to move in nomntanakho is because you are very disrespectful to me. Now of course uMaNgwabe is so shook intoba hayike ndiyayiqala le ndiva apha as nathi sishuta. There are some viewers that are saying, what if uTata Mseleku ucho izinto ezingaphakathi kuye, of which I 100% believe intoba this is something that uTata Mseleku would say. What if ucho into ezingaphakathi kuye and then when the cameras are off ahambe aye ku-wives ayothi no sithandwa sami, the reason as to why I said that ndifuna kwenyuke i-views so that sizohola imali ebhetere. Like that is something that uTata Mseleku guys would literally say. And I think sometimes that is the only line he uses. No. I said it so that we will get views. Meaning more views, more money for us, of course. Now, what is really shocking for those viewers that are saying this is scripted for uTata Mseleku intoba makathethe kanjena nje nabafazi bakhe, it's scripted. Each time uTata Mseleku ezotsho something eyothusayo, the wives bavele batsho ba he is doing it for you guys, for the cameras. Like Samke, when he was acting like Samke, I'm not going to listen to you. Samke went with diary session, was like, I mean, why he's acting like this, because he is generally, he listens to me and he does whatever I tell him to do. So I think when zela cameras njengangoku engafuni ukunimamela. So I don't think it's scripted, and I 100% don't think that uTata Mseleku uses it kwiwives zakhe and says that no, I'm doing it for the views so that we can get more money. I don't think that actually happens. uTata Mseleku unjena nje and like there's nothing you can do to change him. Like he is like this, he thinks and then he speaks. He is unfiltered and I think the wives also are so used to him. So I'm just going to take a few comments regarding a situation kaMaNgwabe, Simphiwe and Utata Mseleku, how the viewers feel about this. First and foremost, I must say, if viewers as Ninzi felt like Simphiwe is being disrespected. Furthermore, Simphiwe is being used by Utata Mseleku for more viewership, because they are saying why njalo xa izothetha ngoSimphiwe ingekho into enhle ayithethayo. You understand? Each time ezothetha ngoSimphiwe wenza thina uyasibhetha thina as viewers. Obviously we're going to start writing, coming for him on Twitter, coming for him on Facebook, coming for him on TikTok. You understand? So Bati, they are now using uSimphiwe as clickbait for season 9. So I'm just going to take a few people, guys. Khona ke othena, I will never marry a man who will make me abandon my child. Kanje, never. So there is also a trend going around on TikTok about abantu uMaNgwabe is one of the wives that decided to choose indoda over umntana wakhe. Yabo. People were going back and forth about that, especially because uSimphiwe, we didn't know about him. Number one, uMaNgwabe has never spoken about uSimphiwe up until season 8. Okay, so people are saying ebemfihla uSimphiwe because Tina, as if he was, we thought uMaNgwabe literally had 2 children. Ebezazisa njengomuntu onabantwana ababili kuphela. So therefore people are saying you actually chose indoda over umntana wakho, irrespective of whether you were supporting him uSimphiwe financially or whatnot, emotionally, but the mere fact that you hid him from us, that means that wena you chose uMseleku over umntana wakho. Bodwa abathi the reason as to why Utata Mseleku has allowed uSimphiwe intoba makazohlala noMaNgwabe is because akanaye umntana ongumfana uMaNgwabe, as in yena noMaNgwabe, they don't have a boy child. Kukhona abantu abathi the only reason he is allowing this ebefuna nje ukuwina uMaNgwabe back. Remember Utata Mseleku last season wayethetha ngoba the reason as to why he ended up in hospital is because of uMaNgwabe. uMaNgwabe wayesoloko esithi ikhwama zakhe zingasegeyithini, yena uyahamba wara. So he decided to use uSimphiwe to win uMaNgwabe back. Okay, khona ke abathi itheni nje ingathi Utata Mseleku usondeza uSimphiwe merely because segqibile ukufunda. He is a graduate, uyazi intoba uzothathela phezulu. There's not much ekumele ke ayenze okanye amxhase ngayo, because vele at this point uyasebenza nokusebenza. But I think I have seen before uSimphiwe, especially with graduation yakhe, did acknowledge Utata Mseleku intoba was there for him while esesikolweni. So inyani with that comment, I don't think there is any truth to that particular comment. But yeah, guys, zizinto ke ebezitshiwo ngabantu regarding the recent episode of uMaNgwabe, Simphiwe and Utata Mseleku. So I think mandime apha, guys. Please do let me know what your thoughts were, and I will surely see you guys shortly. Bye, guys.